So are you frustrated with your old garden? Too many weeds, bugs, backaches, and not enough produce? Are you looking for a better gardening system? One that is easy, weed-free, and produces so much food that you have to give some away? Would you like a garden that is fun and enjoyable and only takes about 15 minutes a day to care for? So this was my quest over 30 years ago. I too was frustrated with weeds and bugs and low production of the traditional row garden. So I started to study, test, and create new gardening systems until I created one that would consistently create over $2,500 worth of organic food in only 128 square feet. This is about the size of 3 king-size beds with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment. So this garden system, it changed my life and my business. I'm a professional organic gardener, and I use this system inside the greenhouses and outside in the gardens. Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie from The Living Farm, and I am the creator of the High Performance Garden System. We are demonstrating this High Performance Garden System in the High Performance Garden Show. So this is a fun weekly show that demonstrates how we grow a high performance garden. So we start the show on week 1 when we plant the seeds, and we show you everything that we do each week for 33 weeks until we put the garden to bed for the season. And I don't know of any other gardener that will show you every week everything that they do to succeed in their garden. This will be the best insider's look that you could possibly get, short of being in the actual garden for the whole season. So the High Performance Garden Show, it is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime you want. So there are several previous garden seasons for you to watch as well. There's over 160 episodes of high performance gardening information on that website. So we've all upgraded our phones, our cars, and our computers, and now it's time to upgrade your garden system to one that is easy, fun, productive, and fits into your busy life. So if you want to join us, go to thelivingfarm.org and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. Make this your best garden season ever.